방귀장수, The Sweet Fart Merchant. 옛날 어느 산골 마을에 나무꾼이 살았어. 나무꾼은 날마다 부지런히 일했지만 하루 두 끼 먹기도 힘들었지. Once upon a time in a mountain village, there lived a woodcutter. He worked diligently every day, but it was hard for him to even have two. 그래도 나무꾼은 늘 싱글벙글 누구에게나 친절했어. Still, the woodcutter was always cheerful and kind to everyone. 어느 날 나무꾼이 나무를 하고 있었어. 그런데 벌 한 마리가 머리 위로 날아와 뺑 돌더니 큰 바위 옆 구덩이 속으로 쏙 들어가는 거야. 벌이 나보고 따라오라는 건가? One day, the woodcutter was chopping wood. Suddenly, a bee flew over his head, circled around, and then disappeared into a hole next to a large rock. Is the bee telling me to follow it? 나무꾼은 벌이 들어간 구덩이 안을 들여다보았어. A woodcutter peered into the hole where the bee had gone. 궁금해진 나무꾼은 안쪽을 살펴보다가 그만 대굴대굴 구덩이 속으로 굴러떨어지고 말았지. Curious, the woodcutter leaned in to take a closer look, but suddenly he lost his balance and tumbled down into the hole, rolling and rolling. 나무꾼은 곧 정신을 차리고 주위를 둘러보았어. 그런데 어디선가 달콤한 냄새가 솔솔 풍겨왔어. 나무꾼이 달콤한 냄새가 풍겨나는 곳으로 가보니 달콤한 꿀이 퐁퐁 솟아나는 옹달샘이 있는 거야. 우와, 꿀샘이네. 배고픈데 잘 됐다. 음냠냠냠 음냠. 나무꾼은 꿀을 맛있게 냠냠 먹었어. The woodcutter soon came to his sense and looked around. Suddenly, a sweet aroma filled the air. Following the delightful scent, he discovered a spring where golden honey bubbled up. Wow, a honey spring. What luck, I'm so hungry. Yum, yum, yum. The woodcutter eagerly ate the delicious honey. 아, 배부르다. 나무꾼이 트림을 하는데 트림에서 달콤한 냄새가 났어. 뽕뽕. 갑자기 방귀도 나왔어. 그런데 방귀 냄새도 달콤한 게 아니겠어? 나무꾼은 구덩이를 빠져나와 집으로 향했어. 걸으면서 방귀도 뀌었지. 뽕뽕뽕. 포롱포롱 삐용. 방귀 냄새를 맡을수록 기분이 좋아졌거든. 나비와 새들이 달콤한 방귀 냄새를 맡고 따라왔지. I'm full, burp. As the woodcutter burped, a sweet scent filled the air. Pong pong. Suddenly he let out the fart. But to his surprise, even his fart smelled sweet. The woodcutter climbed out of the hole and headed home. As he walked, he let out more farts. Pong pong pong, porong porong peong. The more he smelled the farts, the better he felt. Butterflies and birds, drawn by the sweet scent, began to follow him. 나무꾼이 마을에 들어서며 방귀를 뀌자 아이들이 나무꾼 뒤를 줄줄 따랐어. 킁킁, 달콤한 냄새가 나. 기분이 좋아져. 행복 방귀인가 봐. 방귀 냄새를 맡은 사람들이 행복해하며 콧구멍을 벌렁거렸어. As the woodcutter entered the village and let out a fart, children began to follow him. Sniff, sniff. It smells so sweet. It makes me feel happy. It must be a happiness fart. The people who smelled the fart felt joyful and flared their nostrils in delight. 나무꾼은 사람들을 위해 방귀를 더 많이 뀌었지. 뿡뿡, 뿡뿡. 달콤한 방귀 냄새가 금방 사라지자 사람들은 아쉬워했어. 다음 방귀를 사고 싶소. 병에 담아 팔아주시오. 나무꾼은 사람들의 부탁에 다음 방귀를 팔기로 했어. The woodcutter farted even more for the people. 퐁퐁, 퐁퐁퐁. As the sweet scent of his fart quickly faded, the people felt disappointed. We want to buy your sweet farts. Please bottle them and sell them to us. Seeing their eagerness, the woodcutter decided to sell his sweet farts. 뿡뿡, 단방귀 한 병. 뿡뿡뿡, 단방귀 2병. 사람들은 앞다퉈 단방귀를 사갔지. 뿡뿡, 1 bottle of sweet fart. 뿡뿡뿡, 2 bottles of sweet fart. People rushed to buy the sweet farts. 단방귀에 대한 소문은 원님의 귀에도 들어갔어. 원님은 곧바로 나무꾼을 불렀지. 네가 신통한 방귀를 낀다고 하던데 여기서도 한번 뀌어보아라. 네, 알겠습니다. The rumor about the sweet farts even reached the governor's ears. The governor immediately summoned to the woodcutter. I heard you can fart in a miraculous way. Let's see you do it here. Yes, sir, I will. 나무꾼은 원님을 향해 방귀를 뀌었어. 뿡뿡. 원님은 단방귀 냄새로 맡고 깜짝 놀랐어. 소문대로 정말 기분이 좋아지는구나. 원님은 구름에 두둥실 올라탄 듯 행복했어. 후하게 쳐줄 테니 단방귀 10병을 다오. The woodcutter farted in the direction of the governor. 뿡뿡. The governor inhaled the sweet fart and was utterly amazed. As rumored, it really lifts one's spirits. Governor felt as if he were riding on a cloud filled with happiness. I'll be generous, hand over 10 bottles of your sweet farts. 나무꾼은 단방귀 덕분에 금세 부자가 되었어. 나무꾼의 소식은 욕심쟁이 방서방 귀에도 들어갔지. Thanks to his sweet farts, the woodcutter quickly became rich. The news of his fortune even reached the greedy ears of 방서방. 방서방은 셈이 나서 나무꾼을 찾아가 물었어. 대체 뭘 먹고 단방귀를 뀌는 거요? 나무꾼은 욕심 많은 방서방을 정신 차리게 하고 싶었나 봐. 방서방, furious, went to find the woodcutter and asked, What on earth do you eat to produce such sweet farts? It seemed the woodcutter wanted to set the greedy 방서방 straight. 볶은 콩 한 바가지, 찬물 한 바가지, 고춧가루 한 바가지를 먹으면 배가 불글불글 끓으면서 방귀가 달콤해집니다. If you eat 1 bucket of roasted beans, 1 bucket of cold water, and 1 bucket of red pepper powder, your stomach will start bubbling and your farts will turn sweet. 방서방은 나무꾼보다 더 달콤한 방귀를 뀌고 싶었어. 그래서 볶은 콩도 찬물도 고춧가루도 2바가지씩 먹었지. 방서방 wanted to fart even sweeter than the woodcutter, so he ate 2 buckets each of roasted beans, cold water, and red pepper powder. 내가 더 부자가 될 거야, 냠냠. I'll become even richer. 냠냠. 잠시 뒤 방서방은 배가 부글부글했어. 방귀가 당장이라도 나올 것 같이 똥구멍이 실룩거렸지. 안 돼. 여기서 방귀를 낄 순 없어. 방서방은 똥구멍을 손으로 꽉 들어막고 원님에게 달려갔어. 단방귀 사세요. 달콤하고 향기로운 단방귀입니다. After a while, 방서방's stomach started bubbling. His rear end twitched as if a fart was about to burst out at any moment. No, I can't fart here. 방서방 tightly gripped his rear with his hand and rushed off the governor. Buy sweet farts, they're sweet and fragrant. 원님은 단방귀라는 말에 방서방을 불러들였어. 너는 그 단방귀 장수가 아닌데 누구냐? 저는 지난번 단방귀 장수의 이웃입니다. 제 방귀도 아주 달콤하고 향기롭습니다. The governor, upon hearing the words sweet farts, summoned 방서방. You are not that sweet fart merchant. Who are you? I'm the neighbor of the previous sweet fart merchant. My farts are also very, very sweet and fragrant. 그거 참 기대가 되는구나. 어서 끼어보아라. 원님은 방서방의 엉덩이에 코를 바짝 들이댔어. 방서방은 똥구멍을 막은 솜을 쏙 빼고는 배에 잔뜩 힘을 주었지. I'm really looking forward to do it. Come on, fart already. The governor pressed his nose right against 방서방's backside. 방서방 pulled the cotton, blocking his anus out and tensed his stomach. 그러자 구린내와 함께 물통이 뿌지직. Then, accompanied by a foul stench, liquid excrement splattered out. Splat. 으악, 퇴. 나에게 똥벼락을 퍼붓다니. 당장 저놈을 잡아라. 머리끝까지 화가 난 원님은 고래고래 소리쳤어. 에고, 이게 어찌된 일이지? 방서방은 어쩔 줄 몰라 하며 꽁무니가 빠질세라 도망쳤지. 방서방은 도망치면서도 뿌지직 구린내 나는 방서방의 물통을 멈출 줄을 몰랐대. Ptoo, how dare you rain filth upon me? Says that man at once. The governor, furious beyond measure, bellowed at the top of his lungs. Oh no, what on earth just happened? Panicking, 방서방 turned tail and ran as fast as he could. even as he felt splat, splat, splat. His fall smelling, the Sierra wouldn't stop.